Trying to cook your lunch. I thought you were hungry.
I'll eat you if you don't make the food.
You'll eat me?
Yeah.
Good almighty, you'll have a big meal.
Yeah. Because you're fat.
I'm well built.
No, you're not. You're fat.
Bon dia, my hungry amigos! Welcome back to Algarve Appetite. I'm Portuguese Jimmy, and this is D-Dog. And today is Chicken Friday, but with a difference. Today, we're cooking up here in my back garden, and we're going to be joined by some special friends of mine. We're going to get as much as we can from the garden and cook up some chicken on the barbecue, and I'll talk you through my recipe for Frango de Guia. Come on. Pain in the ass. Come on, D. You got Nova. Hey, Nova. At least we can count on you. Come on, Nova. So, D-Dog prefers to lie in the shade, so we have a new star today. This is Nova, our beautiful cat. Oh, we've got another cat. I can't tell you what her name is. That's Isabel. She doesn't like me very much, though. But Nova loves me, don't you, Nova? Hey, Supernova. So Nova's second to D-Dog's my favourite animal. So we're down in my garden here, and don't worry, there's a garden tour coming very soon. So today we're going to do Frango de Guia. So I need to get some vegetables from the garden. I have some garlic already in storage, so I'll need some onions for the salad and potatoes to make French fries. I'm going to wait for our special guests to arrive and they can help me with the potatoes, but we'll grab a couple of onions right now. So I'll take, I don't know what we'll need, a couple of white onions and a red. The onions never really get to full size because we actually eat them quicker than nature grows them. Okay, let's start cooking. It looks like our special guests have arrived. So this is one of my best friends. This is
Portuguese.
Portuguese Amanda. Everyone else calls her Brazilian Amanda because she's from Brazil. And this is my other great friend, Bia, her daughter, who loves dogs. So they're going to help us today, and we're going to do Frango de Guia. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. So we're going to have potatoes and mixtures of Bia's hair.
No, that's my hat.
It's your hat.
Yes.
Very annoying child, aren't you? So, Bia, come here. Tell everyone, what are we going to do?
Catch potatoes.
Catch potatoes, exactly. So, Bia, we're going to catch potatoes. Have you got your running shoes on?
Yeah.
Are they fast potatoes? Are they faster than haggises? Bia, what I'm going to do, potatoes are fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig them up. You have to catch them before they run off. These are special Jimmy potatoes. At this rate, they're not going to be very big French fries, are they?
Another one.
Another two.
You kill one.
Oh, Bia, I've killed a potato.
Oh my god.
Quick, take it to potato hospital.
Forgot. Oh, it's the baby one.
The babies are the tastiest.
What is this?
It's weeds. Don't point out to the viewers, Amanda, how bad my garden is.
Oh, we have like eggs. So beautiful.
So beautiful, Amanda.
You are killing the other plants. You are mean when the other plants.
I think you called her the wrong insect, because you called her bee. You know, after bees. Bees are sweet, but you should have called her mosquito, because she's always like, buzz, 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 buzz. Are you proud of me?
Yeah.
It was me and nature that did this.
I'm not proud of you.
Mainly me.
And God.
God. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot about God. The baby Jesus helped us. Yay! Jackpot! Ah, it's got a bug on it. Woo! Woo! Here we go. Thank you, Bia. Are you pleased? Did we catch enough potatoes?
Let's go cut Jim.
Don't cut me.
Yeah.
I thought I was your friend. So, Bia, tell me. So how long have I known you for?
Us?
Yes.
I don't know.
About a year?
2?
Maybe 2 years. Okay. And how much English did you speak when I first met you?
Nothing.
Nothing. And how much English can you speak now?
Oh.
A
That's
lot.
all.
What's that? All. You can speak all of English.
No.
No, but a lot. I'm very proud of you. You've done very well. Anyway, we can't have Amanda doing all the things. And Bia, you stop playing with things that are going to like cut you.
The good thing is that we don't need the garbage here. The wind takes everything.
You're not in Brazil now, Amanda.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, what do you mean? It's my camera.
Why?
It's cool.
Oh.
Yeah, you can use it in the water as well, but not now. No, you're not getting to see it. It's mine.
Why?
Because it is.
Why?
Is it, you want like
Why?
Just because, Bia.
Why?
Just because.
Why? Why?
See what I mean about the mosquito? Buzz, buzz, buzz all the time. Beautiful and helpful Amanda. Doing all the hard work. Watch, it's magic though. Look.
no, you are not magical because
I am. Look, it's magic. Right.
your finger.
French fries, come to me.
My mom's praying.
Your mum's got too many blooming potatoes, I'll tell you that.
Yes, I know.
Okay, thanks, Bia. That's great. Thank you for your help.
My mom picked a lot of potatoes.
She too much potatoes, Bia, is what your mum did.
Now we'll have a lot and a lot and a lot and a lot for €1.
For €1. Oh, we haven't decided how much I'm going to charge you for your lunch yet.
What's
No,
that?
because she's helping.
Charge is like how much you have to pay. How much do you think? €5? €5? €4? €1. A hug. Not even a hug.
She's a hog when I see me.
When you finished, okay.
It's good. No, look. This one is Jim
Yes.
potato. Look.
You have to pay for your lunch.
Why do you don't cut tomatoes like the potatoes?
What, you want
Chips, tomato.
tomato chips? Because I think they'd go kind of mushy, wouldn't they? Now that Amanda has very kindly prepared our tomato salad, we'll just put that in the fridge. Then just as we're going to get ready to serve it, we'll put some olive oil. Portuguese, that's olivas. Is azeite and some salt.
Óleo, sal.
Okay, whatever she said. Yeah. And then we have some salt, sal in
Sal.
Portuguese, and oregano or oreganos. Oregano. It's good Portuguese, no? Good. Okay.
But I'm grumpy with you because I learned in English in 2 years and you don't learn Portuguese.
I learned some Portuguese. It is true. It is true. Can I say I'm sorry? Amanda, what we're going to do now is we're going to light the barbecue. Right, enough? You sure? Bit more. Oi, no, don't make me, don't be. This is why she's the most annoying child.
That's not true.
It is true.
Is it not?
It is. I'm now covered in bloody charcoal, aren't I? And you made me swear.
Look.
You know what YouTube does to people who swear? What?
What
It's-
is that it's broken and it's bad and it's not beautiful?
It's not beautiful. I'm sorry I don't have a beautiful fan. Okay, we need fire.
Yes, where you
We'll need to. Could you ask your mum to go to the shop and buy some fire? Show you now how to spatchcock a chicken. 3 small chickens, which was 2.4 kilos, and these are the size that you want for chicken de Guia. We don't want to cut it up because, well, we don't want to portion it now because it will dry out when we cook it. So what we need is a pair of scissors and just cut along from the parson's nose and basically take out the backbone. And believe me, I've tried this with a knife. You really do need these scissors.
Why are you killing the chicken?
I think it's already dead, but yeah. So we flatten that out like so, and then that goes nicely on the barbie. So we'll just repeat that with the other 2. Okay, So that's
I know who will be mine.
the 3 chickens all dealt with. So we have one more thing that we have to prepare, and that's our kind of marinade. It's not really a marinade, but the mixture. It won't be spicy because you don't like spicy, and your mum doesn't like spicy. Okay, so we've got the barbecues heating up there, or burning away. We'll wait till that gets down to hot coals. I'm going to peel some garlic now. I'll just crush it like this. And we're going to put that with some oil and some salt, and that will be the base for, or baste for, our chicken. Okay, so we have some garlic, generous amount of salt, and finally oil. So, and what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to blitz it, and then we'll baste the chicken before we put it on, and then basically what I do is every time I turn it, I kind of baste it again. Now, you could put some chilies in here as well, but because we have some people that don't like spicy food, I'm just going to leave it out, and then we'll have the sauce on the side. And just turn this into kind of like an emulsiony, pasty type thing. That should be plenty. And then that'll be ready just to put on the chicken.
What's that?
Secret.
You can put at you.
What?
They can put at you.
No, it's for the chicken.
But what made it?
I made it. Why? To make the chicken taste delicious. Are you happy now? You're not going to get oil all over yourself. It's going to be garlicky and salty.
Oh, it's good.
It's good. Okay, so can I use it then?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm glad I got your position. So you came up. You said that you're hungry.
Yeah.
So I've had to be quick.
It's spicy.
It's not spicy. It has. Look.
We'll put at my chicken.
No, it has salt, garlic, and oil. That's all. Do you like salt?
Yes.
Do you like garlic?
Yes.
Do you like oil?
Yes.
So you like that then?
No.
Okay, we'll just get these guys and lay them out on here. So now it'll be about 20-25 minutes or so, turning regularly, basting frequently, and we'll come back to you when the chicken starts cooking.
You don't want uncooked chicken.
Just give me a raw chicken then. Do you want?
Spicy.
It's not spicy.
I did.
It's so spicy she's trying it
I
again.
want.
Not if you talk the chicken.
Such an annoying child. Yeah, exactly. It's not beer, it's mosquito.
It's so spicy.
It is not spicy. If it's spicy, why are you eating it all the time? Okay, the fryers are on the other side of the house, so we'll quickly just put our chips in for their first fry. Always, obviously, double fry your chips. Durch trays. Oh, it's the annoying child. Stay back.
I am not a child.
Okay,
I'm
it's
not a child.
okay. It's the unannoying adult.
I'm not a child. I'm not. I am annoying.
Well, your baby.
Yeah. I'm not an adult, and I am annoying.
Yes, you are. But you're not sitting on that near there because you're going to hurt yourself. Safety first on alligator appetites. Safety first is so you don't get burnt with oil.
Why?
You really need to ask why.
Yes.
Okay, that's hot and your hands are cold. If you put your hands in there, your hands will get hot, or any part of you, and that won't be nice.
And if I'm hot?
Yeah, but it's not hot. It's like very, very, very hot.
When if I'm very, very hot, I can touch.
No, you can't touch, ever.
What's that?
What do I do? It's all the time.
Do you want to film me? So.
Well, I didn't want to film you. I didn't have any choice. You just turned up with your mum. Right. Shall we go around and check our chicken again?
No.
I think that could go in for a bit longer, but we'll come back. Yes, well, yes, the chicken's going to burn. Come on, child.
You can bring that.
What? Can you bring a tent peg?
Yeah.
And some string?
Yeah.
I suppose so.
What you were doing and I did.
I'm trying to cook you lunch. I thought you were hungry.
I will kill you if you don't make the food.
You'll eat me?
Yeah.
Good almighty, you'll have a big meal.
Yeah. Because you're fat.
I'm well built.
No, you're not. You're fat.
You crazy.
You're like,
So we also have to give a shout out to Scottish Amanda, because yesterday she did quiches. So we're going to have quiches as well. Here comes the mystery cameraman.
oh my god.
What?
I'm so happy.
They're looking good, Liam. They're looking good.
Yes?
I've not put salt in the fish yet.
What are you doing, Jimmy?
I'm cutting up the chicken, Amanda. So did Liam do a good job of the chips? Or French fries?
I think it was a bit burned.
Oh, thank you.
Bia, they're not French fries, they're Scottish fries. Cheers.
Cheers, ching ching.
Cheers.
Ching ching.
What do you think, Bia? Is better than in Pera?
I was saying I prefer the unpera because have more skin and the chips is not burnt.
I wasn't in charge of chips, so. Right, so first of all, Bia, tell me, what did you think of your lunch?
All the things was good. The chips was burnt.
The chips were a little bit bad.
Chips was a lot of burnt, but I will say it.
Okay, right, well, don't tell anyone then. Amanda, what did you think of your lunch?
I think was everything really good.
And
The
thank you for your help with the salad.
chicken, salads, chips, everything.
Okay,
The company.
Yeah, do I get a mark out of 10?
Yeah.
How much?
I don't know. I'll say 9 for God's sake.
9 for God's sake. Leo?
I thought it was really good.
8.
Chicken
Oh, Bia, 8. Just 8. Oh, you're tough. Right here, Leo.
chicken was really succulent. It was not better than Joel's. Overall, really tasty. Probably a 9, 9.2.
9.9.
Probably say 9 as well.
9.10.
So I've gone from an 8 to 9.10. Oh, that's good. So I've got a 9.10 from Bia.
I would give you an 8.
An 8. What? Oh, that sounds ominous. What could have been better?
Thought the chicken was juicy and succulent, but I like it a bit more flame grilled skin. The chips were overdone. The tomato salad, again, I can't eat raw onion. My stomach. But there was a bit too much onion in it. The tomatoes were absolutely delicious.
Good.
I enjoyed my quiche,
Yeah.
but I think I would have added some side salad like lettuce and cucumber.
Okay. Well, we'll know for next time, won't we? So, D-Dog, do you like chicken, D-Dog? Yeah? Do you want some chicken, D-Dog? Sit. Oh, look how obedient she is. She's such a good girl. She's such a pretty girl. There you go, my D-Dog. Okay, well, shall we say goodbye to everyone?
I have my Spanish student that is.
Bye-bye.
It has allergies.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
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 Thank you so much for watching right to the end of the video. If you're interested in following us on our other social media, please check our link tree at Algarve Appetite, and the link will be in the description below. Also on screen is a link to a video which we think you'll really enjoy. And finally, click on the Algarve Appetite logo on screen to subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.